Hey there, Smile Squad! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're busting some common dental myths that might be hurting your oral health. Let's get started. Many people think that sugar-free gum is just as bad for your teeth as regular gum. But is that true? Actually, sugar-free gum can be beneficial for your teeth. It stimulates saliva production, which helps neutralize acid and remineralize teeth. We've all heard this one before. But the truth is, brushing your teeth immediately after meals can actually damage your teeth. Acidic foods soften your enamel, making it vulnerable to brushing. Wait at least 30 minutes after meals before brushing. Some people believe that whitening toothpaste is too harsh for your teeth. However, most whitening toothpastes contain mild abrasives and hydrogen peroxide, which are safe for your teeth. Just remember to use them as directed. And there you have it, folks. 3 common dental myths debunked. Remember, always consult your dentist before believing any dental advice online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more dental tips and tricks. See you in the next video!